In this video, I'll be showing you how to make app icon size big with easy mode on your Android phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And there's a few different methods, but we're going to use easy mode as this feature simplifies the interface, increases font sizes, and significantly boosts icon scale for better visibility. So what we're going to do is go over to our settings application, scroll down until we find display, and then just go ahead and click on it. Then all you want to do is scroll down again and you want to find an option called easy mode. It's going to say easy mode makes text on-screen items appear larger. It also increases touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions and provides a high contrast keyboard for better readability. So as you can see now, it just instantly, went a lot bigger. If I go over to my apps, everything's a lot bigger now. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is not really anything else to it. I can even adjust the screen zoom as well. So what I can do is I can go back to my settings and then go over to display and then tap screen zoom and move the slider to the right, and which scales up all interface elements as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that.